Welcome students to our another video. In today's video we are going to learn some tricks in Excel. So first we are going to open the Excel, then blank workbook. So as you can see, here is the Excel sheet. Now I am typing country name. As you can see, this country name takes two cells E5 and F5. Then in D5 cell I am typing population. Okay, so here we are going to learn about text wrap. What is text wrap? Select this two cell country name, then go to alignment session, then click on text wrap. As you can see, this full thing is now in one cell, E5 cell. Okay, otherwise you can do that, drag it, but if you do this, then this cell will expand. Okay, so there is two ways. You can drag it or you can select and text wrap it. If you want to text wrap, then this is the method. That whole thing will be under one cell. Then I am cut and pasting this population cell. As you can see, population also in F and G cell. So we did the same process of text wrap text in this also. Okay, so here we learn if it takes two or more than cell, then how we will bring it in one cell after doing wrap text. So now we merge the cell. Merging the cell is very simple. Alignment session, select the cells and go to alignment session and merge and center. Here I am typing some name as it is now merged. Okay, database chart. This is the option of wrap text and merge center we learned in this session. So if you like this and if you think this is useful, and I know this is a very short one, but this is very useful in Excel method. So if you like this, then please keep supporting us and please subscribe to our channel, and it will be very helpful. Thank you all.